I'm Tatiana and I'm a volunteer worshiper here at Kitty Charm School, and I'm here with Kitten. Hi Kitten. She is so cute in her skybox. Is it just so comfy up here, honey? I think it's just so comfy. She has blankets and soft towels, all the things she could want, and she can see out, talk to everyone. Hi Kitten. You're such a cutie. Mama? Your ears are adorable. I love how they're like salt and pepper on the back. So cute. You are just so cute though. Yes you are, Kitten. Yes you are. Kitten, say hi. Kitten. Hi. Mama? So cute. Alright, Kitten. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.